So this is fresh cabbage from my garden. It doesn't get fresher than this. So for today's menu, it's all about this. Can you guess what it is that I'm cooking today? And what about that secret sauce? Yeah. So I'm not going to be using all of everything, but I have everything prepped. I'll use what I need. And what I did was I made a bag with all the extra veggies for a cook for next time. So that'll go into my freezer. This is going to go in to my, who guessed it? My chow mein. Chicken skewers, seasoned, marinated, and ready for the grill. Now there's no veggies on here because I'm having so many fresh veggies in my noodles that it is not needed. It's all about the flavors. So I'm making a coleslaw with my fresh cabbage from my garden. And I have my mixture to add in. Okay, so I'm picking my first eggplant. Look at this big one. Whoa. I had to get a bigger scissors here. Okay. So today's pickings from the eggplant trees. Look at that. This one here is huge. And there's about 7 growing on that plant still. That is amazing. Look at that. It's heavy. Feels like a couple pounds. Wow, so I'm gonna roast that up today. It's one of those days today where it's very windy and everything is very green. The pears from the rain last night and this morning, because it's been raining, are falling like rain. So every day, because of the wind and the rain, this is what's happening under this beautiful, tall pear tree. I'm so blessed. Every day I've been picking them up. So this is what they look like. You just bite and eat, and they've been so delicious. I wish I could share with all of you. It's also a lot of work to clean up, but it is what it is. Look at this pear that I just picked up. Isn't that amazing? This is my spinach plant. It's a pole spinach. And look at how tall it grew. And how huge the leaves are. It's growing so gorgeous. Spinach is my favorite. If you know, you know, guys. And look over here. That tall tomato plant, that is one cherry tomato plant. And look at how tall it's growing. It's as tall as my window. Let's go closer. I had to tie it up. It's very windy. Look how tall it is. It's actually taller than my fence. Oh my goodness, look at this. And the body of the plant has branched out so much, and that's so pretty. And in here I already have a few. I love it. So hopefully I'll have a lot of those coming soon. And my cucumbers are doing good. Look, I see one underneath there. I'm gonna have to go pick that. There's a lot in here actually. So I'm gonna have to go in there and start picking. Am I seeing correctly? It's Christmas tree season already. What? Look at the lights. It's August, almost September. and everything is out. He's so cute. Look at that. There's sweet corn at Costco. 8 of them. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love that. I'll definitely be getting one of these. And they're huge. I'm stocking up on my oranges. They're fully stocked to make my fresh orange juice with my juicer. That's my new thing. So I don't buy orange juice anymore. I'm making my own. And I add a little bit of lime or lemon. If you know, you know, guys. New product alert. Made in Canada. Grain-free granola. The blueberry organic clusters. It looks so healthy, so delicious. I think I'm gonna be getting one. My favorite pickles. The Bix brand. Baby Dale's garlic. Love it. I love this idea. A food grater for your cheese. Yeah. And look at all of the different grades. That's a pretty cool item. I think everyone needs one of these. It's a garment steamer for your clothing. And it's pretty affordable. I'm looking into getting one, and this one looks like a really good one. It has really good reviews. You can now get dash cams at Costco. I'm definitely going to be getting one of these. I think everyone needs one. If you know, you know, guys. This is the dream. Yeah, I would like to get this. The Ninja Luxe Cafe. Espresso drip coffee and cold brew. If you know, you know, guys. This is really cute for Halloween when you're giving out treats. It's a pumpkin with a hat. And all of the treats are inside of there. I love that. Whoa, look at this. It's called the Rising Reaper. Wow. That would freak me out if I saw this outside on Halloween. So today I'm trying a new coffee because they were out of my Starbucks. So I'm trying French Roast by the Kirkland. It smells amazing, and I'm going to be grinding it here in the coffee grinder. So today's grocery haul went really well. I got a few goodies. Now it's time to go home. So I'm just driving by the World Archery Championships that's taking place here in Winnipeg. So they have all of the flags set up. The gate is here for every country. So there's lots of tourism happening here in Winnipeg. It's really cool.